Montanha-russa do Hagrid. Vamos lá. Hogwarts. Daqui a pouco nós vamos lá. Cabana do Hagrid. Ah, que bacana.
Investigating this muggle tool. Fascinating. What sort of echo trickery?
Oh, you are. Oh, hello. I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special care of magical creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa. Hagrid asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended screws. Before they all kill each other. Whoa! Does that not look promising? Oh, and I've got some Cornish pixies for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Ah. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Oh, that's just marvellous, Arthur.
Not bad. I think we're ready.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering with the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's do that purple button for me.
Careful, Hagrid. Your dragonfire is for emergencies only. No, Pig!
Let's get them back to their cave. Come on.
My one!
Oh, salamanders. Salamanders, they feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though.
Ow! Put me down! Don't touch that!
Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. That dragonfire could not have been smoother. Well, apart from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me.
Agronenti! Oh, fine. No. We'll be there for that. Better try and sort out these pixies.
Righty.
Oh, now don't you worry, Venice. I'll see you all down there.
Of course, none of this will happen when you're actually riding the bikes. Meet us down in the stables. Might be safer to duplicate the bikes down there. More room. Then you can ride them. That's better.
Right, off we go. We'll visit the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the troops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on! Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, Oh no. Looks like you've lost power.
Segura! Segura!
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo.
Segura, Chuchu!
Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Ooh, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Right, hit those purple buttons. Hold on. Dragon Fire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns.